Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to mark your messages as read immediately on the Slack application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And after that, you should tap on the last icon down below, which is the U option. Click on it and tap on the last button, Preferences. Click on Advanced and here tap on the Mark as Read Immediately button. That is the fourth option. So a check mark icon will appear in this section when it is turned on. So this function means that if you receive a message and you open it, it will be marked as read immediately. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Bye bye.